Hey there everyone, welcome to Coding with Avinash. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a standout resume completely for free. Yes, completely for free. Here we will be leveraging some AI tools like I will be using ChatGPT and some websites which help you to build your resume completely for free and with very easy steps. Whether you are a recent graduate or a seasoned professional looking to switch careers or to start your career, having an impressive resume is key to landing your dream job, right? So let's see, it would be far better how better your resume is. Look, so your resume keeps your chances of getting your job or to landing on your dream job very easy. So let's see how to build that resume here and let's proceed. So firstly, let me go to the ChatGPT, and I think you guys are aware of what are prompts for ChatGPT, right? So giving a good prompt will help you to give a better output or better result from ChatGPT. Here what I'm saying is I'm asking the ChatGPT to write a tailored resume for a team lead role, and I have given my details. I asked ChatGPT like what should be included and what should not be included, and I gave the job description which was being expected, and I gave my name, my details of graduation and all, and my past experience in IT. So let's go ahead and let's see what ChatGPT gives. So here we go. We got a complete resume with complete professional summary, everything with your work experience, with Java lead developer, everything. You can simply copy your resume and you can see how it developed. Let me open my Word. So this is how the ChatGPT has written out the output in this way. So it has included the professional summary, so it has included work experience. It says like from which company I worked and from when to where I have worked in which company. So this is a very simple format. So let me introduce to a new website. So from this we can see how we can go ahead and build our resume. This is, you can go to any of your search engine and type Overleaf. Open the first link which you see. So you can create a new project. I am creating a blank project. I'll say it as build resume. Let me create it. So it's loading. So now we'll go to ChatGPT and I will say I'll just tweak the prompt a bit. So previously this is the prompt I have used, and now I will say ChatGPT to give me the LaTeX. Give me the LaTeX code for the same. So let's see what ChatGPT does. So here we go, it's giving us the LaTeX code. So this LaTeX is nothing but like it will be giving you all the colors and all the CSS part of your resume. So let's wait for it to get completed. Once it completes, let's copy the code, let's paste in our Overleaf LaTeX builder, and let's click on recompile here. So if you see, based on the LaTeX which was given by ChatGPT, this is how we got our resume. Let me ask ChatGPT again to make it more colorful. Making it more colorful. So let's see how it goes. Let's wait for ChatGPT to complete its code. Yeah, I think now it got completed. Let me copy this code now and let's paste it in our LaTeX builder and let me recompile it. So here we see there are few colors got added. but this still looks pale, I guess, right? It's very less color, we can see very less colors included here. but it got a structure overall, right? So this is one of the way to build your resume. You can still go ahead and and customize your colors. So like you can add whatever colors you want, you can add whatever sections you want, and you can, you know, customize this a bit more. Let's see the second way. So where in this what we do is, instead of writing our own latex, we will be editing the latex, and we will be plug and playing the templates which are already present on Overleaf. So for that we can just go to the templates tab over here. Once you are in the templates tab, you can select what is the template which you would like to use. I'm selecting resume or CV, and here we go, we'll be getting and many number of templates. So I will go to one template. Yeah, I think this looks bit better. Let's customize this. Let me click on this template. I'm selecting open as template. It's compiling. So here we go, guys. This is how the template looks like. So here what we can do is, we can just double click on that particular part, and we can highlight where to change that. Suppose if I need to change this, so it's saying somewhere here we need to change. I see the name here. You can either change in that section, or you can do a Control F and you can change your name. I'm just giving my name here, and this is the tagline. So here I'm writing my own tagline. So, and you can provide your address and everything over here. So here we will be providing our address. I'm saying Hyderabad, India. And here you can also give your LinkedIn profile. In the same way we can give our GitHub profile as well. And if we don't want to have dev and npm, we can simply remove them. So let me recompile now and see how it has reflected. So here you go. It says my name, it says my position, and my email ID, number, location, and LinkedIn user and GitHub user. And if you want to change your image, you can just click on this in the left side, the explorer. You can go ahead and you can click here. You can delete this image, and you can upload you can upload your own image. And then you can simply, what you will be doing is, like, just go to your image where it is present here. So in this you can change your .jpg. For example, it's with John DOE, right? Here you can remove this John DOE and put the name of your own image, what the file name of the image which you have uploaded, so that your image will get reflected here. So let me check if there are any images. I'll just simply select my image. So I'll just select one image of mine. I'll just rename it to Avinash, and let's go to our main text. Here let's just give avinash.jpg. Let's compile again. So here we see the image got updated. Instead of the previous image, now we are able to see our own image. And this is how you can edit all the stuff. Like, we can go to the tech stack, and in the tech stack I can give my own technical details. Like, I'll say Java 8, Spring Boot, microservices, RESTful web services, Spring Batch, Spring Reactive. You can give what are the skills you would like to add. Here I'm just showing you for sample so that you can add or remove the things whatever you need and whatever you don't want. So I will give one last thing. I'll just say Python. So I don't want 8 9, so I'll just be removing these things, and like we can recompile. So if you can see here, the things are updated like Java 8, Spring Boot, microservices, RESTful Web Services, Spring Batch, Spring Reactive, Python. And if you want to add anything else like tags to your CV, you can go ahead and add, else you can remove them as well. I'll say like tech lead, Java developer, Kafka. I'm just adding 3 so that, yeah, let me recompile it again. Yeah, so the same got reflected here. Now let's take the take the ChatGPT response and let's copy this. Now I want to edit my about me, so you can just click on about me. So it took you to the place where we need to edit. I'll just remove this paragraph and I'll paste my one, and I'll be saving it. So again this got updated. So in the same way we can change our experience, and we can add the experiences. If I want to add one more experience, I'll just copy this and I'll just paste one more experience here. So my third experience also will be updated here. If you can see, it's compiling. So you can see a third experience got added here. I think we have missed to add divider. Let me copy this divider here and just paste it. So if you see, there is a bit gap between first and second experience, but there is no gap between the third experience, second and third, right? So let me add a divider here. So let's recompile and check. So now you can see a divider added between your second and third experience as well, right? So if suppose I don't want to add this project section, I don't want to include this project section, I can simply go here. You will be seeing the comments from where to where the project section starts and where it ends, right? I can simply remove this part and I can save it. So if you save, and once it got recompiled, you can see here the project section is removed. So in this way you can do whatever changes you would like to add or remove from your template, or you can plug and play with your LaTeX code, and so the same will get reflected on your right side window. And once you're done, you can just simply download it as PDF. So let me show you. This is my downloaded file. So this is how it looks. So this is this is the resume which was updated. I mean, you can see here all the tech stack and about me got updated. So in this way, you can change and plug and play with your resume, and you can make it look more catchy, and make it look more visible, such that your resume will be picked as soon as possible. Like instead of ignoring your resume, I think the recruiters, whoever see, they might find it attractive and pick it. So thanks guys, I think you learned something today. So if you like whatever you have learned today, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.